What's up, world? Welcome back to the lounge. My name is KJ Doobie. I chill out in the lounge with the demons and the gremlins, and plus my homeboys. Sometimes they be like my closest friends. Yeah, I'm glad that you're here. I love it when you're here. So what y'all really want to check out? A younger person, an older person? A younger me, a younger me. Hey. Can you take the pain of the rain? It's rejuvenating, man. The pain of the rain. Can you take the pain of the rain? That's what she told me. This is more than just a new life for you. She told me not to think about it too much, but life is so crazy and it's full of foolish touch, and everything that I wanted to do seems like it doesn't want to do me. Now what does that mean? Am I moving down the roadway? Probably not. I think that I forgot that I can do whatever I want and manifest my own spot. I go to the environment where it is prosperous for me to be free and be my own self. Follow me, but actually just see me as I be, just like you. A human being is only human, but I am machine too. So as I mix it in, parts of me be acting part of you, but the other parts of me cannot figure how you do what you do until I learned all about myself. Now I see myself just like somebody else. How do I help myself? I don't know, but somewhere down the road I'm gonna figure it out. I got it all mapped out. I'm gonna make it somehow. Ay. Now what she told me, don't think about it and it'll be easy. That's what she told me, and I was like, true. Don't think about it too much, that's what she said to me, and I was like, okay mommy, I can feel you, I feel your energy. Maybe you could teach me something that I've never known before. Maybe things that you can teach me help me to settle the scope with the one that I signed the contract with a long time ago. Damn near lost my soul fooling with them assholes. What the fuck, Papa told me not to go, but I did. Now what do I do? How do I get rid of the feelings that I got on the inside of me? Name KJ Doobie, what with the demons I be flying, see, so come and find me and understand my reasoning why I be the way I be. My name is KJ Doobie, Doobie, Doobie. Hey, she told me not to think about it though, but overanalyzing everything is how I get through the glow. But how can I turn it off and still not be soft and make it through anything? Told them not to bother me, y'all, so I don't think about it. I let the fools rush in and I let them fade away, and then I come on in. Hey, so what y'all doing now? Things are changing, everything's rearranging. We find ourselves where? Somewhere close to the bottom, but I'm headed to the top, to the top, to the top, to the top, to the top. Hey, hey, I find myself somewhere close to the bottom, to the bottom, to the bottom, but I'm headed to the top, to the top, to the top. I'm headed to the top, hey. I remember when I was a little kid, nobody really understood the way I live. Nobody really understood all of the things going through my brain. I maintained with the green smoke though, but way before I did choke on the green, oh, I had Jesus, yo. And right now, he is right here sitting next to me on the inside of me. Think we make a bad team, name KJ Doobie, cause I often do be thinking about the world and the way it spins for you and me. Our perspective can get switched up, but it's still the same what we study, yeah, everybody flying around the same thing. The apple doesn't change, it's our perspective, man. And if you can get this, you can understand my reasoning. Plutonics, the way I break it down, man. Platonics, actually I'm from Pluto, but Plato is the way we break it down, yo. And as I come around, they can understand the sound, but I switch it so nicely, they got a groove now, ayy. I mixed it with the cool beat so you can rock to this, but it's reality, every word that I spit, not made up, kid, yeah, real life. They be talking about the things that shine in the middle of the night. I'm talking about the emotions we hide in the night, and all the things that we don't want to bring to the light. It's all life, and if we don't make it right, we'll have nobody to blame but our own selves, right? Watch me, watch this, it is not a game. Told you once before in the beginning, man, but you thought I was lame, you thought I was plain, just because the way that I was bringing it. But don't you know that this is like the realest shit that I have ever spent before? So listen as we bring it through the door. Got a bad team that's gonna let you know how it really goes. Some people came from the street, me I came from inside, reading Proverbs and staying alive from the good book that my papa stuffed in. Yeah, I learned a lot about the G.O.D. and everything that he did for us, for you, for me, to make it on this rocket. So sit back, baby, listen, pay attention to the life we live in. It's crazy, I know it is, crazy, I know it is, So sit back, baby girl, just listen to the life we live in, the way that we spit it, crazy, I know it is. Hey, for real though, you think that I'm crazy, but I think that you crazy. Do you really think that the world only cares about shiny things and what you can do in the middle of the night, dancing across the TV screen, right? Yeah, right. Don't you know that there's the light and the darkness, and it's a battle for your heart, kid, and the mind. The battlefield is the mind. I hope you get your armament ready in time, cause they're gonna come when you are not ready. Hope you got your shit ready. Secret weapon, yeah, I got it ready. Not worry about it. Negative energies, they come up to me and I knock them down. I'm so heavy, my positivity spreads across everything. I'm an optimist, so I can see through it all, man. Through the fog, through the dark nights, it doesn't matter, baby, I'm gonna make it alright. I'm gonna make it. It doesn't matter, babe. I transform like Voltron. Gonna make it. It doesn't matter, babe. I transform like Voltron. What is he on? I don't know. A whole nother zone. KJENT. I'm rocking it. Come on, I'm gonna make it. I transform like Voltron. They be like, what the fuck's he's on? They be like, he's on. Alright.